I haven't done an indoor unboxing in a really long time, but today it's raining, and so I have to do this in the presence of Pinto. Pinto, shoot. Stop showing everyone your butt. No, don't lay down right there. No. All right. My box is actually kind of wet. I actually ordered this before I went away on my business trip to San Francisco. I did a live stream for High Desert Orchids for San Francisco, and then I asked them to hold it until I got back from San Francisco. So let's see, there's only 3 plants in here, and one of them is a Rustic Spots H&R clone, which I had before but has died, and so I'm just getting a replacement of that. And you are being really a pain in the butt about this, Pinto. All right, here's one plant. Here's another plant. Oh good, go away, Pinto, go away. No, you're not going away. Here's third plant. Wait, 1, 2, there are 4 items in here, and I am pretty sure that I only ordered 3 plants. We'll have to see. I'll look at my list again. 1, 2, no, there's 3 items. I don't know why there are 4 packages. There's no reason for a heat pack in the summer. Don't bite me, Pinto. Okay, oh, there's a mounted Orangus Koshiana. And I just liked how it was twisty. Try not to grow too many Madagascar type miniature orchids. So here's that. And my arm is up because Pinto will bite it if it's not. All right, so that I ordered. Don't bite me. Pinto has been very affectionate. All right, don't bite. I don't know what this is. It's packed with moss hair. Kind of hard to do stuff. You have to keep your elbow up in the air. You don't care, do you? Do you care? Don't bite my nose. Don't do it. Ah! Pinto. Don't. This is Bulbophyllum nepondii. So she had, actually I would have been totally fine with just 1 nepondii, but she was doing community pots. So my hope with this is to keep 1, and then I'm gonna share the others with my sister who likes to grow bulbophyllums. All right, so now we're down to 2 things. One of these is gonna have to be the Rustic Spots, and then I don't know what the other one's gonna be. Don't bite me, Pinto. I see you. I can feel your mouth against my arm. Don't do it. Don't paw me. Don't paw me. All right, so this is the Rustic Spots. It's a nice size. So now we come down to the mystery container that I don't know what it is. All my plants are going on that side because Pinto's right here. Don't do it. Well, okay, here, I'll pet you. Is this enough? Is this good? Is this good? Is this good? this looks like another community pot, but I only ordered one. I need to look. I am confused. Pinto, can you take your teeth off my arm? Oh, it looks like another Bulbophyllum nepondii, except, all right, well, so this one's kind of got a Pac-Man. See, all the little bits have come off onto the cotton. So, yeah, maybe they're not very good, so she gave me two. I'm just trying to pick these off the moss. The other one was okay, but this one has definitely just sort of, they're not really in here. They're just coming off. Oh, Pinto! Oh my God! Ah! How could you? How could you? Wow, all right. That's the end of this unboxing. I've got to check the damage. Brand new. It was like, here, what, 4 minutes?